The key thing on credit is your revolving accounts. On your revolving accounts, you want to keep it less than 30%. If you want to maximize the credit score points on your revolving accounts, make sure that you keep it less than 10. So less than 10 is not at 10%, it's actually 9%. The pie chart, if you will, for credit is mainly 35% of that is based on how you make your payments. 30% of it is based on your balances in relationship to what your limits are on your revolving charge cards. So right there's 2/3 of your credit score. I mean, that's a pretty good chunk. About 20% is based on the history. So the longer of history you have, the better off you have from a credit standpoint as far as to try to maximize those points. So if you can jump somehow onto a mom, dad, aunt, uncle, a revolving charge card that has been opened for 10, 15, 20 years, you're gonna pick up an average that's going to increase your average on your credit score tremendously. As far as on your credit length, I guess not your credit score, but your credit length, your length of history. So that's going to be huge. I've seen where credit scores have jumped up massively, like 100 points, because they had thin credit, but then all of a sudden they went on mom and dad's credit card that had been open for 20 years. Next thing you know, they're in the low 700s whenever they started out in the low 600s. You want to jump on someone who you know has made great payments, has a very low balance in relationship to their credit limit, something that has great credit history.